Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how do I convert one of the table, preferably maybe second table, to a JSON file. This was one of the questions asked by one of the viewer. Nike, hello, how can I only get the second table to JSON? So I don't want both the tables. So minimize it. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, let me copy this code. So let me create one file. So I'll add file single sheet convert Excel to JSON. JSON.js file. So let me copy this. So I'll paste the code here. So everything will be same. The only difference is we are going from 0 to length. So if I want only the second one, just write 1 here and the JSON file will be created. So I'll just write I+1 so that we will not have a confusion, and I'll put it as a bracket. Now here you can see the second sheet is DEF456. So let me execute this. So note single sheet convert Excel to JSON.js. So it is convert Excel to JSON.js. Let me click on enter. So JSON file is created. The output is D4E5F6, and you can see here excelToJsonSheet. You have to go to E. It is 2 because I gave I+1. You click on this, you'll get D4E5F6. As you have asked the second one, so I've converted to JSON. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.